Welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be taking a look at this. Right here is a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with sort of a screen issue. So looking at this phone, normally if you bring it to a store, they're going to charge you about $260 to buy a whole new OLED screen, and maybe with the frame so, or it may not even come with a frame. So today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to repair this phone for under $200 compared to exterior stores. So with that, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go.
So to find actual cost of the repair if it were to be done from an outside store, I used Carousel and messaged a few stores to get a quote from them on a Note 8 screen replacement. Most stores will charge around $220 to about $230, not including the battery replacement. And they only would replace the screen and not the frame. So for the parts to order online, I used AliExpress and went scouting. For a new Note 8 screen plus frame combo, as removing the screen is a bit tedious, and a new battery since as the phone had never gotten a battery replacement. Within 2 weeks they arrived, a brand new Samsung Note 8 battery with a used frame and screen that had some burn-in and dead pixels. I'll be using B7000 electronics glue that I used to seal up the phone. If you don't have this glue, you just need to buy a rubber gasket to just seal it back up after you're done with the repair, if you're doing it yourself. Then now just open up the Note 8 and transfer all the parts from the old frame with the smashed screen to the new frame. This process may take a while, and using a hairdryer or a heat gun would be the best method to open up the phone. After about 1.5 hours, the swap was mostly completed with everything transferred over and made sure it was working using the Samsung test tools, which I'll link in the description down below. It's just some code that you can press in your dialer app that will allow you to test the function of the screen. And also the clear back mod that I've done for this guy, cause why not? Thus, all I have now is a spare screen and battery that is pretty much useless. For the repair of the Note 8, I feel it's quite similar to the S8 with just the exception of the S Pen holder and additional screen ribbon cable for the S Pen Touch.
Okay, in the end, we got this Note 8 screen replaced for, well, much lesser compared to what people would charge otherwise at a normal repair shop. They actually got it repaired for about $165, including a battery change, as the battery inside the original phone was about 3 years old at this point. And as for the new screen, yes, it isn't a perfect screen. There is some sort of a black dot here and a bit of burn-in on the display, but still it's completely functional in terms of the S10 or in terms of the S Pen input and touch input, which is absolutely fine with the customer. So you can save a lot more if you just go for this type of screens with either a black dot of dead pixels or just some imperfection with them, as then you will be spending over $200 or about $150 plus on the new display. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys need help with finding the perfect screen or reseller or this type of semi-working screens, you can feel free just to leave a comment in the section, and feel free just to leave a comment down below, then I shall get back to you. And with that, we've come to the end of the video. If you guys liked it, leave a like, subscribe, share a comment down below, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.